My name is Moin. I'm a physician by training. I arrived in Dubai back in 2003 and have since helped the system develop the specialty of emergency medicine and the specialty of trauma care. Rashid Hospital is the only hospital in Dubai, Northern Emirates, which is certified to accept what we call multi-trauma, bad trauma that affects more than two systems. And a big percentage of that trauma is actually head injury. In addition to trauma care, very, very significant stroke patients. When there is residual for stroke, there are no treatment options beyond that. This offers a treatment which is beyond when there is no treatment available. This is an option to the patient. With the evidence gathered that I have read and I have evaluated, this is the option beyond that point. In medicine, by the time the evidence is out, to the time evidence gets incorporated into regular practice is a very long duration. So I would encourage you to ask your physician to look for this evidence, because he may or she may not be aware, they may not have access, and it may not have reached them to that point. That is the message I want to give to our public and to our physicians. I can't tell you how thrilled I am that about three and a half years ago, when I was able to go to this center to see this and get the evidence. As somebody said, we have a new hope. For certain things, we do not have further treatments. This offers that hope. And that hope I have seen and I have felt. It's really amazing. So let's start from the very beginning. So I was really fascinated when I looked at the technology and the evidence it had generated there. They had done some good studies on it. And then I saw patients experiencing an improvement. And then when we brought it here to Dubai, let's now see what it does to me. Let's go into the chamber. Let's spend the time that is required and see what it does. So I went through the entire program. So what I found out, my quality of sleep improved tremendously. Thinking capacity, capability, and speed of my decision making really improved. And it was really very surprising to see the before and the after effects, the impact it had in my lab work, in my genetic evaluation, in my MRIs, and in how my body and my posture improved. It was a life-changing event. The vision of Dubai, the UAE, is to attract the most advanced healthcare. So I think it fits right there in the overall strategy of improving quality lives. So if this disruptive technology doesn't come to Dubai, what would? And we are lucky to have this here, because this is one of the first facilities of its kind in the world.